Hey guys, I figured something out, and this is just my personal opinion of how to, when you're hurting between your shoulder blades, how to adjust your back. Don't get me wrong, I totally believe, I believe in chiropractors. I love my chiropractor, Dr. Hooper, but sometimes between appointments, or if you don't go to the chiropractor, if your shoulders are hurting and you maybe need a quick an adjustment yourself, this is what I learned. So you do your legs on the wall, and then this is Bubba. I wonder if I'm outside of the camera now. You bring your head up and down, and it adjusts you. Just doing that, it kind of it pops between your shoulder blades, and it just feels good. Oh, and I have one more tip. I'll show you right now. So if you have carpeted stairs and you just feel like, I just need a rub between my shoulder blades, you sit on the stairs, and then you lean back and gently glide down the stairs, and it just feels really good between your shoulder blades. It just feels good. You slide down, and it sometimes adjusts your back. All right, good luck. Bye-bye. Hey guys, I forgot to say this is day 0 earlier in the video. So I want to give you a different angle, so maybe you could see it better, the gentle adjustment to the thoracic cage area. So you lean all the way back on the stairs, and you just gently glide down. Oh, it feels so good. Hi, Daisy. And it just feels good. And sometimes it has an adjustment, and sometimes it doesn't. Bye-bye.